Keep watching as I show you guys how I make this delicious, refreshing pineapple, ginger, and lemon juice. Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making pineapple, ginger, and lemon juice. This juice is so refreshing and so good. These are my ingredients I'm going to be using. I have pineapple, ginger, and 2 lemons. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the ginger into little tiny pieces. I've already washed the ginger. I've already washed the lemon. I'll go ahead and dice the ginger into tiny pieces so that the blender will be able to blend it smoothly. Okay, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please consider subscribing. Put on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Okay, I love you guys. These are my ginger. I've already washed and peel the skin off. Okay, I'm just going to cut it into little tiny pieces. Okay, just watch me as I do this. I'll go ahead and cut the lemon. I'm just going to peel off the skin. I don't need the skin. Okay, I'm just going to cut it, peel the lemon skin off. Then I'll cut it into little tiny pieces. Add my ginger and lemon inside my blender, and I'll add my pineapple, and I'll also add water, and I'll blend till they are all smooth. After blending, I'm going to take a strainer and strain the juice out of the shaft. Okay, I'm just going to take my spatula and turn it around till all the juice is hot. Then after doing this, I'll blend the rest part of the pineapple and the ginger and lemon.
Now those people they for just they call their friend. And we say people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all.
Okay, this is the other part of the pineapple. I've done blending it, then I'm going to strain it. I'm going to use water to strain it up, and that's it. Our ginger, lemon and pineapple juice is going to be ready. This recipe is very easy. It's very refreshing for this summer. That's it. This is my juice. I'm going to stir it together and I pour it inside a jar. That's it, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate every one of you. If you are new here, once again you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much guys for the love, for the support. I really want to say I appreciate every one of you. May the good God bless you all. May the good Lord grant to you all your heart desire in Jesus' name. Amen. I'm just going to pour it inside a bottle, then I'll cover it and just keep it in the fridge for everyone to have it. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name.